Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve sorry we ran into a problem trying to install the product key error in Excel. This error appears when trying to install Office, activate it, or simply access it. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix sorry we ran into a problem trying to install the product key error using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Open Excel in safe mode. Sometimes opening the Excel in safe mode is enough for solving the errors. So, let's try this method. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 2. Check date and time settings. If your date or time is incorrect, the Microsoft servers may be unable to verify your Office license. Change your PC clock to the correct date and time in your region. Close all instances of the program. Right-click on the time and date in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on Adjust Date/Time. Ensure that the Set Time Automatically option is enabled. If available, make sure the Set Time Zone Automatically option is also enabled. If the option is grayed out, manually select your time zone from the drop-down menu under it. Solution 3. Repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to we ran into a problem. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control Panel. Click Programs, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 4. Update the Excel app to the latest version. The next solution you can try is to update Excel application to the latest version to see if it helps to fix we ran into a problem trying to install the product key error. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Solution 5. Uninstall unused Microsoft Office programs. If you have installed multiple versions of Microsoft Office, you can remove other copies of Microsoft Office and only keep your needed one. You can easily uninstall a program from Control Panel. For this, you have to press Windows+R, type Control, and press Enter to open Control Panel on your Windows computer. Click Uninstall a program under Programs. Check the list to find out if you have installed multiple versions of MS Office. Right-click the unneeded one and select Uninstall. Then you can restart your computer and try to run the Microsoft Excel app again. So, this is all about fixing sorry we ran into a problem trying to install the product key error in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.